This is Frank. Frank is filling out hundreds of copies of the same PDF form by hand every day. He would like to automate it, but he doesn't have much time and he doesn't know how. Don't worry, Frank, we've got a solution. In this video, we will show you how you can mail merge a PDF form in under 2 minutes. With our tool PDF Mail Merger, you will have up to thousands of forms filled in with the data from your Excel list. In our example, we show how to mail merge a student application form with data from a fictitious list of applicants. Go to pdfmailmerger.com and create a free account. Make sure you enter your email address correctly, as the download link with the generated PDF files will be sent to this address. After you've created your account, you will be redirected to the home screen. Your home screen probably looks a bit empty, so let's just create a new mail merge with a click on Create Mail Merge. In the first step, drag and drop or click the box to upload the PDF form you want to use as a template. It does not matter whether the PDF has fillable form fields or not. As soon as the PDF file has been uploaded, you will be navigated to the second step. Here you can upload your Excel file. Make sure that the relevant data is on the first sheet of your Excel workbook. After uploading the Excel file, the editor is loaded in the third step. Drag and drop the placeholders on the left side of the screen onto the PDF file. The placeholder names result from the column headings of your Excel file, which will later be replaced by the data from the corresponding Excel column. If no or incorrect placeholders are displayed, you can adjust them by clicking on this link. Here, you can see an excerpt from your Excel sheet. Select the row in which the column headings are actually located. With a click on Change Header Row, the placeholders are regenerated accordingly. Now you can drag the placeholders to the desired position and adjust the appearance, such as the font size or font family, using the toolbar. With a click on Preview, you can see which data the placeholders will be replaced with later. Make sure everything is shown correctly before going to the next step. You can click through the pages of your PDF file at the bottom. Once you've added all of the placeholders as desired, click Save and Next. In the fourth and final step, you can add custom file names. To use a variable, enter the column name and wrap it in 2 braces. Pay attention to upper and lowercase letters. The variables will later be replaced with the data from the Excel file. If a file name appears twice, a counter is appended to the end of the file name. A new PDF document is generated for each row in your Excel spreadsheet. Make sure you have enough credits available. The Always Free plan comes with 50 PDF files per month and can be easily upgraded if you require more PDF files. Start the mail merge by clicking on Mail Merge. Wait a few minutes until you receive the download link via email. Click the link in the email to download the filled PDF forms. Depending on the size of your Excel file, it may take a few minutes for the email to arrive in your mailbox. The downloaded zip file contains all PDF forms as individually filled out files. You can find the link to PDF Mail Merger in the description below. If you leave a like and comment on this video, we'll give you a free month on your subscription. Thanks for watching and see you soon.